Hello, I'm Paul Buisman, and in this video we will have a further look on the IMoba Performance Pro module. So let's go. I am right now looking on my desktop computer, but remember that the same information could also be available on your smartphone or your tablet. I can see my machine is online because I see here that the data was received only a few minutes ago, so it's real time. And I'm looking at a specific day information. I have information related to the production of a machine and also to the quality of the eggs. Those are the two groups of metrics that I have at my disposal. There's three boxes here at the top that make a certain selection for a machine. That's only interesting, of course, if you have multiple machines. I can select whatever machine I want to look at. I have a date. I'm now looking at yesterday. It was the 12th of November yesterday, but today is the 13th. So let's have a look at today. Get the information of actually as it is right now, only 2 minutes ago. And I have a possibility to filter on certain egg types. If you have only one egg type, life is quite simple, but here I could distinguish various types. Now remember that this menu, as it is here, is for free. It's available without any further charge if you run this IMoba connection. However, the most powerful part of the whole idea is if you click on a certain metric, you can drill down in various ways, and that is only possible if you subscribe to this particular module. I just now clicked on the availability section. I could have also clicked on other sections, and as a very smart quick button you can also select it here. You can see it's an offline machine because it's not run on a Saturday and a Sunday. It's only running 5 days a week. This is the month review. If I would go to the day review, I get much more detailed information, like how many eggs were between 6 and 7 o'clock this morning, 7 and 8 o'clock, etc. There's a whole world of information, and we're going to have various examples in other videos, but it's good to get this overview idea of the product. Every graph that is produced in here can be downloaded in various ways. There's this little context menu, and if I click on it, I'm able to download it as an image or a PDF document, but also very interesting, also as an Excel file. If I do that, you see it being downloaded here in my browser. I can open it, and Excel gives me the ability to do anything with this data that I want. For instance, put it in a management report, make a special graph, or whatever. If you wonder what certain metrics mean, you could go to this menu box here, which will lead you to a menu with many more functions, but it's good to know that there's a glossary that explains all the various terminology that is used here. And later you could also find out that every term you could adapt to your own, let's say, dialect that you speak in your packing station, because every packing station has its own vocabulary on certain metrics. Also from this menu you can see how many modules you have available, and in this case I have 2 at my disposal. And of course, when I click back on the Performance Pro, it brings me back to where this whole little tour started. I hope this is a good first impression of this product. As said, we will have many more examples, practical tips and tricks how you can use this software. Thank you for watching.